So I'm gonna solve problem 12.7. So my SO for a rigid payment is gonna be 0.39. The thickness of it is gonna be 8 inches. My PT is the change of the PSI. It's gonna be 2.5. Because 4.5 minus the 2. So my EC for the cement concrete layer is 4e to the 6. My modular roughness is, where is it at? 650. The problem says do not use the reliability term. My drainage is, let's see, where is it at? It's poor drainage with 5% of time near saturation. So we'll go to table. We go to table 12.20, recommended values for drainage coefficient. And we go to poor and go up to 5%. I say to be around 1 to 5%, it's 1.0 to 0.90. The 5 to 25 is 0.90. So let's put 0.90. My J is it's a transfer, what was it called again? Load transfer coefficient is 3.2. In my K, we have to use the table because it's the 2 base layer. So we go to we go to figure 12.19 for the page is 1218 574. So for our modular, the ES. So the first thing we do is we draw a horizontal or vertical line from the 8 inches. That's how thick our layer is. Go straight up. Okay. Then for our sub base, we find a line. So we put a point right there and we do a horizontal across to the right. Then our MR coefficient was 5,000, so we draw a line all the way down touching 5,000. Then we draw a horizontal line to the right. And there's a turning line. So we start our line from the turning line that intersects with our MR and go all the way up until it intersects our first line. And we get a K coefficient around like, I say 380 to 395. Let's put 390. Let's see. Our book value, the answer the book gave us is 8.5. So let's go to see how far we are. Data. Go to solve. So I think it's 5.37. That's interesting. Okay, that's way too high, I think. If I change the CD value to 9.5, if I change it to 0.95, my drainage coefficient, I go to solver. Okay, so that's how the book did it, I think. It makes more sense because how I drew my lines for the figure 1218.